In this video I'm going to show you how you can reactivate your Doordash account. So what we want to do is just load up our web browser on the phone, and I've just Google searched for Doordash reactivation. We want to open up this first article. I'll leave it as a pinned comment as well. So once we have access to this article, how to appeal the deactivation of a Dasher account, you can submit a deactivation appeal via this form. So once we click on this form here, it's going to ask us what language we would prefer. So we're obviously going to do English here, and it's going to proceed with the request. So we will need to use our Doordash Dasher email so we can appeal this process. So here, just type out your email address. And then note, you can find the reason your deactivation email. So you have to check your email why you were disabled in the first place. So here you can choose the reason why you were disabled. So for example, unsafe behavior, and we'll click on next. Now, if we have successfully typed out our emails, I'll just fill this out. Okay, so after filling out my email address, the next screen looks like this. It is going to ask us for our first, last name and our phone number, and we will need to provide evidence to support our reactivation request. So for example, if we were, blamed to have committed theft, but we haven't, you can submit any images, any proof, any messages that you may have with the customer here, and basically just make your claim stronger in a way. You can attach files by clicking on select files, and after we have filled out all of this information, we can just click on submit and check your email address in 1 to 2 days to see if you have been reactivated on Doordash Dasher. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.